Hello everyone and welcome to the Kartika. And today we are going to review a very special bike. Uh, you can imagine this beast. Just see this. Yes, this is the India's first RS660 by Aprilia, and it is also designed in Italy. So let's check the review.
This is the RS660
Yes.
from Aprilia, and this bike cost around 17 lakhs plus, and this is the 600cc segment super sport bike from Aprilia. Aprilia they have actually entered in Superbike winning championship in 600cc. They have started from this RS660.
This bike is purely made in Italy. It is imported from Italy.
Okay, so now Aprilia RS660, and this is the first time I'm coming in front of camera and doing review. Okay, so this is Aprilia RS660. This is 600cc segment Aprilia's beast. You can see very nice color, and this is a black and red color. Okay, see, this is Aprilia 54 world title winning championship based on that bike. Okay, and this is fully TFT display. If I can, I will turn on this instrument cluster, and there are a lot of electronics, traction control there, and here is of course the passing lights and the fuel injection. I will turn on the lights and I will show you how beautiful this light looks. See these lights. This is Aprilia's new light design. This is LED DRL, as you can see. This is the new LED DRL from here also, and this is a fog lamp, very beautiful fog lamp from Aprilia. Yeah. Hashtag be a racer. My friend Suman used to say me, no, I'm not a racer. I will leave racing, but no, I'm not gonna leave racing. I'm gonna be a racer. Hashtag be a racer. Aprilia Racing, and this is, as I show you, very nice. This is a very nice windshield, as you can see, premium windshield of this bike, and this is very beautiful aerodynamic inspired mirrors, very good mirrors as well as. Full speed now, yeah, 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 yeah. Full speed now. Okay, fine. So I want to show you the brakes of this bike, and this is a brake Aprilia written over here. This is RS660 design, and this is the famous A letter from Aprilia. Brembo brake right there. This brakes, and this is suspension. I will say you which suspension is used in front and back. This is manually adjusted suspension. Okay, and this is a TFT display. Okay, so at front there is a suspension named Khyava, and it is 41 mm upside down fork. It also has top out spring with aluminium pins. Okay, it has the Khyava 41 mm suspension at front, and at rear it has, and this is the rear suspension. As you can see, that is the rear suspension, and at the rear is asymmetrical aluminium swing arm, and this is very good suspension for rear, and this is the alloy wheel of this bike, as you can see. Also disc brake, and also this. Okay, this is the front look, and this is a super sport design. This is not naked bike, this is super sport bike designed for track. Yes, this bike also has quick shifters. Okay, and this is Aprilia stock quick shifters. Okay, Aprilia written over here, RS660 design over here. Very nice winglet. This is not carbon fiber, yeah, this is normal, but there is very nice winglet over here. I want to show you from front, and this is very good designed winglet for aerodynamic purpose. Alright, so this is Apex black color. Okay, this is Apex black. As you can see, very nice red color. Oh, I have forgot to show you the seats of this bike. Very nice comfort seat. Okay, when I saw this bike in YouTube first, when it haven't launched, Then I thought, wow, what a piece of art, and actually it is very beautiful. This is an exhaust of this bike, very good, Apex black color. This bike is Apex black, and this is rear seat, and it is also stock. Okay, and unfortunately this bike doesn't have a hazard light. Eden Hazard from Real Madrid, this bike doesn't have hazard light, and this is Apex black color. One more color is coming, that is acid green maybe, and that is acid green, acid gold. Yeah, it has acid gold color, and this is lava red, and this is the main color of Aprilia. I'm sorry for exposure, I will show you from here. This is lava red, and this is my second favorite color. First is acid gold, and the third one is that one. Okay, but every color in this bike looks beautiful in each and every color. Okay, so
Just see contrast, saturation, vibrance,
Yeah.
everything is perfect in this bike.
Sumesh will
That's
love
why-
this bike.
Yeah, that's why this is my favorite bike.
yeah, this is his favorite bike. Yeah.
Color.
Oh, favorite bike and with favorite color also. Parallel twin cylinder. Okay, now I'm gonna review. Now I'm gonna say you the engine specs of this bike. Okay, so this bike has 659 cc. This is BS6 engine. It has 98.5 horsepower, and this bike has 67 Newton meter torque. It has parallel twin cylinders. As you can see, those are parallel twin cylinders. It also has quick shifter. Okay, and it has 6-speed gear, manual gear, not automatic. Yeah, this has 6-speed manual gear. It has 15 liters fuel tank. This fuel tank is 15 liters, and when it will get reserve, it will reserve at 4 liters. So very good technology used, very good Aprilia RS60 technologies. And there is one Spark Plus has used over 1 per cylinder. Okay, and this is very beautiful bike. Brembo brake at front. Okay, so now I will show you scooty which worth more than, means it worth actually more than a car, normal car. It's a scooty that's just 125cc. It is this Vespa, and this is Vespa 946. Okay, as you can see. Shame, do you want to say anything about this scooty?
Actually, this is a 125cc scooter, and the cost of this scooter is approximately 12 lakhs, because this is purely made in Italy, and this is a handmade vehicle.
Yeah, and I want to show you one more cruiser bike from Moto Guzzi. This is Moto Guzzi V7 Bobber. I want to show you from close. This has V twin engine, as you can see, 2 cylinders right there. And this is very beautiful bike from Moto Guzzi, and this is, I think, British or Italian company. As you can see, this is V7 and Bobber. And this is my favorite color. Shaim, do you like this color or this color? Which one?
Actually, my personal favorite car is this.
Yeah, this, I think this is new livery of Aprilia, and you can see that it's RSB for RF. That's the old model, and Aprilia will launch very soon the new 1100 factory. Just see how beautiful this bike looks from rear side.
How was the feeling?
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks to this brother.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all for today about this Aprilia RS60. We hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button. If you
Comment down below.
yeah, which next review do you wanna see? It may be car or bike. We can try our level best to do that. Okay. Right now we are in Bangalore. We also make vlogs. Okay, the link is coming on up. You can check that video. How we came, how we reached on this
Bangalore.
showroom. Bangalore and showroom.
Yes, yes.
Basically, we are from Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So make
Andaman
sure
or
to
Andaman.
hit that like button. If you will like this video, YouTube will put our video in front in search history number 1. Okay. Then we can make more vlogs. So we'll get more subscribers. Okay. So please like this video, comment down below, and don't forget the main thing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
The car trigger.
The car trigger.
The car trigger. The car trigger.
Okay. The car trigger. Okay. That's it.